All right, guys, welcome to another episode of Sell Your Market with Probaba. And on here we have one of the best forex traders in Lagos, Famvie Felix. Famvie, what's good, man?
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, on this episode we'll be discussing some challenges forex traders face in the financial market. So, Famvie Felix, what do you think about that?
We have so many challenges
Okay.
facing forex trader in Nigeria, to be precise.
Okay.
But the major challenge we really face as forex trader, number one, is equity, which is also known as capital.
Okay.
People don't really get access to fund to trade in the forex market. There are so many people, they go for forex education, training and all of that. But after they are passing out, they don't have the capital to start trading in the forex market. So that's a very huge challenge to every trader out there.
So you're trying to say funding is one of the major
funding is funding is a major factor that affects every forex trader. That's why some persons, after going through this educational process and learning how to trade, they decide to be doing demo account. They decide to be trading demo account so that the skills they've acquired will not be a waste. But there are some persons, they will always want to be looking for that fund. So I'm using this as an opportunity to address every forex trader. After going through the process of learning, if you're yet to get fund for you to start trading in the forex market, you can as well be trading a demo account just to keep your mind and your skills intact.
Okay, that's great. So the advice for them is to trade a demo account first while they look for the funds. Okay, what other ways do you think they can scale through this challenge of funding?
Another way for you to scale through this challenge of funding, there's what we call prop-firm. Apparently,
prop-firm accounts.
Yes, prop-firm accounts. Those accounts are accounts that you just have to go through one or two challenges that the company is going to give you. And when you pass those two challenges, they will give you a huge capital for you to start. So literally, you can use small capital to get a larger capital from those prop-firm accounts, and you can be making good money out of the financial market.
That's amazing. So guys, if you're a forex trader and you're looking for a way to fund, you can try the prop account. Like he said, the prop account, you go through a challenge. After the challenge, you get access to trade a huge capital. Well, I think that's a good one.
Yeah.
So basically, what else do you think could be challenges forex traders?
Sometimes gadgets. People don't really see that much, but it's a necessity for you as a forex trader.
Like I could remember in the past when the trading system wasn't like what it is now.
Today,
So you see technology advancing, new upgrades and stuffs on.
Exactly.
So
I think so. Gadget too is also one of a factor that hinders forex trader. So basically they will finish trading and they will tell you that I don't even have a system and I don't even have a browsing phone, but I have everything on the paper. But you know, technology has improved. We don't do things on paper, everything is on digital right now.
That's true.
So gadget too is also a challenge.
All right, Famvie Felix, do you think education is part of it? Like, is it a challenging factor for forex traders?
Yes. You know, everything in this life boils down to the knowledge you acquire from it. It is from that knowledge you acquire from it that will enable you to exceed in whatever you're doing. So being a forex trader, going through the educational process of forex is very, very paramount. You need to know the names, the terms they use in forex trading. Like example, like when the market is bullish, when the market is bearish, candlesticks and all of that. You need to know the fundamentals, and you can't know those fundamentals if you don't go through the educational process.
That's true.
You learning forex trading.
That's true.
Going through the educational process is a fundamental and is a necessity for every forex trader out there.
Yeah, I think that's a key word for me. Like, I like to emphasize on that, education, because you have to invest from a point of knowledge. If you have no knowledge, you end up losing your funds.
Exactly.
So the knowledge helps you being grinded in the forex.
Those knowledge also helps your skill to improve. That's why there are some forex traders, they have courses. Those courses that are well packaged educational programs set aside for you to learn. There's level by level. You being a newbie in the forex market, there are some books that you need to read as you grow in the trading in the forex market.
That's true.
You get to acquire more knowledge. As I'm this, I'm still learning, I'm still reading. some articles and books that regards to forex trading.
All right. So fundamental and technical analysis, what do you think about it, and which is the go-to for you?
Me, I like technical analysis.
Wow.
I like technical analysis. I like fundamental, but I'm more of a technical person.
Okay.
So I prefer the technical analysis.
But a lot of people like to go for the fundamental, like trading the news and the rest.
Trading the news. I like trading technically. I like price action.
Okay.
I like trading with the trend in the market.
All right.
So technical analysis is my favorite.
It's a go-to for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What advice do you have to tell the upcoming traders or the pro traders? Because every day we learn. Exactly. Whether you're a pro or you're a beginner, there is something new you always learn. Exactly. You get? Because the market changes. The same strategy you're using tomorrow might not be the same today.
Exactly.
So when a new one comes in, you learn. You have to adapt to it. Yeah. So what advice do you have to tell the people, the upcoming traders and the pro traders out there?
And number one, the real advice I'm going to give everyone out there, being a newbie or you're a pro trader in the forex market, don't put your eyes on fund. Don't be greedy with your strategy.
Greed.
That's what kills so many potential forex traders.
That's true.
Don't come to the market with a greed mentality. Forex is a business.
Of course.
And you approach it as a business.
I agree with you.
If you're starting a business today, you don't expect to make 100% out of that money.
That's true. So
you need to go through the process of growing your skill, getting your capital, your profit little by little. If you want to fund, if you decide to fund account today and you want to make 100%, you might blow that money, and that might discourage your process of learning.
That's true.
So treat forex as a business and not a gamble.
That's true. You're right.
Felix. Then also secondly, when you learn a skill, be consistent with that skill. If there's any room for you to improve on that skill, improve on that skill. But always have a skill for yourself that this is what I've learned all my through in studying forex. So I'm sticking to this skill, and that skill will be your breakthrough in the forex market. So sticking to the skill and improving yourself. And I'll still state it again. Don't be greedy. Treat forex as a business and not a gamble. It's not a gambling scheme or get rich quick scheme.
All right, guys. In respect to what we have discussed here, I wrote a book, Becoming a Profitable Trader. All these stuff we are discussing is in there. That is an experience I have acquired over the years. I had to put it in a book. That's a masterpiece for you to get. So if you're watching this video and you want to get it, so hit the link on my bio on Instagram at probabafx, and you can also follow probabafx Academy. We'll be having more educational tips here. Peace out. Let's milk it.